Di pa pala tapos ang gusot ng Kongreso sa nakabinbin pa ring 2019 national budget. Kinontra kasi ni House Speaker Gloria Arroyo ang sinabi kahapon na binabawi na nila ang bersyon ng budget ng Kamara. Ang sagot dyan ni Senate President Tito Soto sa pagtutok ni Jam si Santicay.
Kahapon, matapos raw makausap si Congressman Ronnie Zamora, sabi ni Senador Panfilo Lacson,
meron ng approval yung House leadership na i-recall nila today, and it bears watching if they will really recall or withdraw their version of the enrolled bill today, and then from there we will move forward.
Pero taliwas dito ang sinasabi ngayon ni Speaker Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Hindi raw binabawi ng Kamara ang kanilang bersyon ng 2019 national budget kung saan naka-itemize ang lump sum funds na nasa DPWH budget.
So we are not the donor version. We are in discussions about what is the proposed version. I'm going to meet today with the House members and with Secretary and with the Congressman Ronnie Zamora.
Sabi tuloy ni Lacson, maging sa loob daw ng Kamara ay hindi na nagkakasundo dahil sa nakakahilo umanong pork. Ilang buwan nang atrasado ang 3.75 trillion pesos na 2019 national budget dahil sa banggaan ng Senado at Kamara. Ayaw itong isumite ng Senado sa Pangulo dahil pinakailaman daw ng mga kongresista kahit na-ratify na ito ng Kongreso.
Ano ba talaga? So we'll just wait for them to make up their minds. We stick to, we stand firm to what we have already said and what we have decided, and that is we cannot agree to something that is violative of Article 170 of the Revised Penal Code, which is falsification of legislative documents. It's as simple as that.
Mahigit 70 bilyong pisong pondo raw na nasa DPWH ang na-realign at hinati sa mga kongresista kung saan mas malaki raw ang inilaan sa mga kaalyado ni Speaker Gloria Arroyo. Pero giit ni Arroyo,
the process that we followed was constitutional. We would never put the President in a position of signing an unconstitutional bill. It's the same process that was done even before I was Speaker, ever since the Supreme Court ruled that lump sums are unconstitutional.
Bakit nila ni-ratify? De sana doon sa Baikang pa lang inayos nila. But according to the other congressmen that we have been talking to, they itemized already. They already itemized even before they ratified. And those that they were not able to itemize, they itemized after ratification, which is allowed. You cannot internally realign. And that is what they did, and that is what we don't want to allow.
sa ngayon, ang reenacted 2018 national budget ang ginagamit ng gobyerno. At habang nakatenga ang national budget para ngayon 2019, hindi magastusan ng pamahalaan ang mga proyektong magbibigay ng trabaho, magpapabuti ng edukasyon at magbibigay serbisyo sa kalusugan ng mga Pilipino. Hindi rin agad mapondohan ang infrastructure projects ng gobyerno na malamang abutan na ng tag-ulan. Nanganganib ding maapektuhan ang sahod ng mga empleyado ng gobyerno. Mag-e-eleksyon pa man din sa Mayo.
If we don't come to an agreement and then Tito Soto doesn't sign the bill, then there's no bill to send to the President. So I do not know if we will, but I would wish we would.
If they do not withdraw and revert back to the original ratified version nila, then it's going to be in August for sure.
Jam si Sante Kaiko, nakatutok, 24 oras.